Hey everyone! If you want to learn how to create text design in Inkscape in 2026, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how to make stylish and professional typography easily. First, open Inkscape and create a new document. This gives you a clean workspace for your text design. Next, select the text tool and click on the canvas to type your text. This is the base of your design. Now choose a font style from the top menu. Bold and clean fonts usually work best for design purposes. After that, increase the text size and adjust letter spacing. This helps improve readability and balance. Next, convert your text into a path. This allows you to edit each letter like a shape for advanced customization. Now use the node tool to modify and reshape letters. You can create creative effects like bending or stretching text. After that, apply fill colors or gradients to your text. This makes your design more modern and attractive. Finally, duplicate the text to create shadow or outline effects. This adds depth and makes your typography stand out. So yeah, that's how you create text design in Inkscape in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can design professional typography easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Inkscape tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!